Small particle, big logistics challenge?
Ja, sicher, wenn man seine Aufgabe ernst nimmt.
Small particle, big effort?
Es geht nicht nur um ein einzelnes Teilchen, die Summe der Teilchen macht es komplex.
And this is the complexity in which we are proficient. Thanks to our acknowledged technical and systemic competence, we create integrated, interface-free logistics processes, all around granulated, powdered, and dusty commodities, components, or products. This competence helps us to develop logistic solutions for the chemical industry, for the plastics industry, and food industry, and realize them for our customers in order to offer them solutions from one source. This way, we take over their job to optimize volatile demand, to create flexibility and safety, to retain quality, to manage flows of customers and commodities economically. All the way for pourable and granulated goods. Besides bulk transport and flexible warehousing and packaging, it comprises the latest engineering process for individual treatment of single compounds. Our processes for drying, sorting, sieving, and homogenizing lead both primary producers and recipients on the right side, qualitatively, economically, and future-directed. Welcome to the Greiwing Granules Handling Plant in Wiesel. It is one of a kind in Germany. It is our technology center for the high-quality standards of the processing industry. In terms of our blending and homogenizing silos, usually one run is already enough to achieve ideal quality, even if one or another is not free-flowing. Its 88 kilowatt engines work especially smoothly for the product. We always keep our customers' product requirements and the improvement of their products at the top of our minds. Our customers' capacities do not allow an extensive drying. We do it for them. Sometimes a small flow of hot air is enough, and sometimes air must be used precisely, very precisely, very slowly, please. For once, what is invisible to the human eye is as simple as a child's game for our sorting line. 256 platinum jets remove granules by air pressure, and in turn, this satisfies our customers' specific preferences. Only what is identified correctly by a high-speed scanning will be delivered to our customers. This is a very important value-added service. The good must be put in the dish. The bad you may eat if you wish. The Cinderella principle is a normal course of life for us, and a really fundamental service for our customers. And to make sure that all is delivered to the customer in this sense, it is filled as necessary, with quality control inclusive, of course, and automated. For example, 25 kilogram bags, which are then palletized and prepared for shipping. We can also increase the size, of course, up to 1,000 kilo. It goes even larger as it pertains to bulk goods in our bulk trailers. And this is naturally possible if the goods are delivered in big bags. Everything goes in, and for this reason, everything must go out, in fact, flawlessly. Bulk trailers are cleaned with a pressure of 90 bar and a temperature of at most 100 degrees Celsius in order to prepare the trailers residue-free for the next transport. You cannot do a better job, can you?
Doch, kann man.
At our location in Worms, we work exclusively for the pharmaceutical and food industry in our clean rooms. It is just 70 kilometers away from Frankfurt. Here in Worms, different kinds of food products are treated every day. This is where our expertise in food safety comes into play with utmost precision. In order to guarantee food safety, each bulk trailer is allocated to one food additive. For example, sorbic acid. This we call dedicated use. The air conveyed in the clean room is filtered in different steps in order to achieve a quality of less than 5,000 ppm purity. Inside the clean room, there is a permanently light overpressure so that the air can only go out but not stream in under any circumstances. In order to meet the requirements of food safety, our employees have to observe the highest standards and cleanliness rules, as the clean room's humidity is less than 40% and the air is extremely dry. This is a special challenge for them. Due to the dry air inside the clean room, the employees rotate continuously between clean room and warehouse. Therefore, everything comes in cleanly and purely and goes out exactly the same. And this is related to almost all kinds of packages and units, as is the case in Leipheim, in the heart of southern Germany. We particularly specialize in food bulk handling, besides warehousing and transport activities of 4,000 tons of sugar and other granulated and powdered additives. We also perform refilling activities here as well. For example, refilling from delivered big bags, which are opened under prescribed conditions and whose content is sieved again. In this case, it ensures that only the bags that need to be refilled are refilled. Our dedicated food bulk trailers are exclusively approved for nothing other than food-related materials. The circumstances are even different the other way around, because sometimes things have to be turned upside down. As all pallets are not the same, we sometimes exchange wooden pallets by more hygienic plastic pallets. Finally, after arriving in the clean room, it goes again one level down, but this time into 15-kilogram bags, cleanly stacked on pallets, to guarantee that customers can enjoy safety at the end of the process. Thus, the food additives are packed fully automatically into 25-kilogram bags and heat-sealed in Worms, and can go on their way to the palletizing unit at this time. Is there even more safety in the handling of goods?
Ja, sicher.
In fact, that leads us to our new hazardous goods warehouse in Worms. It meets all criteria, which enables us to handle dangerous goods properly and with the utmost attention to detail. We manage here all stages on the way for free-flowing goods as well, besides debagging, sieving, homogenizing, and warehousing. We also add additives to the products. In order to assure that the sensitive blends are delivered to the customer without any risk, we use exclusively nitrogen for the conveying of the product into our blending silos. Our specific dangerous goods bulk trailers are then filled from these specific silos. But it goes from big bag into big bag too, or from big bags into drums, where the product arrives directly via a vibrating trough at our fully automatic drum filling line. There are dangerous dust particles that are evacuated directly. This is done so without any risk. By the way, this also applies to the complete warehouse management software. In order to avoid potential software interface problems between warehouse management software and customer software, we use the same software as our customers right from the very beginning of the process. Directly at the time of picking up the pallet, it is scanned into the SAP system. While storing the pallet in the warehouse, another scan confirms the right storage. Thus, a completely traceable process in the customer's own SAP system is made possible and available. To hedge one's bets, the quality of the product is continuously checked in our own laboratory before it arrives to the customer by international transport modes. For example, via the KV terminal, Berghausen in the Bavarian Chemical Triangle. We are connected directly to the global logistics world here at this location. Also, our customers benefit from numerous value-added services in the field of contract logistics, especially for hazardous substances, products of Water Hazard Class 2, and HACCP products. International transports. This goes way beyond just the usage of trucks.
Jo, das ist alles kein Problem. Wir sind hier am Lokport in Duisburg.
Here at our location in Duisburg, in the heart of Lockport, it goes out to the whole world, by road, by ship, or by rail. This location lays the foundation for the most direct, the fastest, and certainly the most economic way to get the product to the destination. Here we focus more on the complex theme of transportation with the latest technologies and techniques. From our efficient container handling with reach stackers or automatic unloading of trucks, our mobile racking systems to state-of-the-art tracking IT, all these new technologies and machines facilitate our daily routine. Thus, we are able to deal with our customers' orders even more efficiently and with the utmost speed. Thanks to our location in Duisburg, our customers have access for themselves via daily connections by rail and ship. Every day, reams of containers leave our location by rail and ship. Thanks to our nationwide locations and the subsequent web of storage, transport, and customer-specific services, we are able to offer our customers the utmost flexibility, just in time. Our know-how, high-quality standards, and the close proximity to our customers and their businesses turns us into a reliable partner in every way regarding free-flowing goods and bulk transports.